While venturing through Amnicon Falls, you may notice two distinctly different types of bedrock: dark basalt and superior sandstone. The dark basalt seen at the upper falls is the solidified remnants of lava that flowed across the entire region about 1 billion years ago, whereas the lower falls flow over Lake Superior sandstone. This sandstone was formed from sand deposited by streams, flowing into an ocean that covered much of Wisconsin millions of years ago. About 5 million years ago, there was a tremendous fracturing movement of the basalt bedrock. This crack is called the Douglas Fault, and it extends all the way from the east side of Ashland, Wisconsin to Minnesota's Twin Cities. Amnicon Falls State Park has long been known as the best place to observe and study this important geological event. So the next time you go hiking, take a look at some of those unique rock formations.
The Slice from PBS North.